Today I'm going to teach you how to export your video in Adobe Premiere Pro 2025. Now this is my project. I have finished editing this project. The next thing for me to do is to export this video. Before exporting this video, I'll make sure I'll play this video and see whether it plays smoothly or not.
About what you want to be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So now my video is playing smoothly. The next thing for me to do is you press Ctrl M. I say what? Let me close it and open it again. Ctrl M. After press Ctrl M, it will open your exporting menu to you. So it will come like this. It will look like this. Here you choose your format. I already choose this format, H.264. So I already choose this format. So you see here the picture quality is still there. At the same time, it's a full screen too. So it's a full screen too. If you have not used them before, maybe you have your Adobe Premiere new, you don't know how to export. When you open it, it will come like this. AVI. It will be in AVI format. So if it is AVI format, it will come like this, a half screen. You see black light in the top, the down to, you have another black light there. At the same time, picture quality is not there. The picture quality reduced. So the best thing for you to do is you have to take it this format, H.264. so you choose that one. After that, you see here you also automatic change match source. So here, if it is a AVI, see how it look like. This place is NTSC DV. So immediately you change this format to H.264. So here automatically change to match source. So now if you come to the screen size, now the screen is full screen now. There's no black light in the top, the down to, the same thing. At the same time, picture quality still there. The picture quality is not reducing. Now the another place for you to do is click here. Maybe you want to save your video to your external hard drive or your memory card or your anywhere you want to save this video in. So you just choose your title. Just to choose title in this project. OEYU. So after that, click save. So now the next thing for you to do is here, use maximum render quality. Use maximum render quality. Make sure you take here. After that, here is a quick rendering. So this is export. So make sure you choose this export. Now small time, I'll get my video done. $79. No, it's almost done. So now my video is completed export. I have to find this video and play it for you to see whether it's reducing picture quality or it still have the same picture quality. Sorry. Okay, this is the video. It's still with my desktop. Sorry for wasting time. Now let me play this video and see.
About what you want to be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So now my video is playing smooth. There's no scratches, no anything. So I bet you Adobe Premiere Pro is the best video editing software for you to use for your project. So if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, comment and follow for more of this video. See you next week.